All right, guys, so the moment is finally here. After about 6 long weeks, look what we got right there. That is forgedlite custom set of wheels for the pure PPF Ruby Star wide body. Check this out. So this is a full-bodied PPF, our wide body car. It is pure PPFs, what they call Superstar Red, which is really Porsche's Ruby Stone or Ruby Star. There's virtually no orange peel in this PPF. It looks insane. And of course, I've got my patented NFD logo on there for the badges from our friends over at Forged Customs. They do awesome badges for me. A few upgrades on the car. I got these Z6 big brakes on there, and I had my guys over at Unit F14 powder coat them for me. Black with white lettering to match something else that we might have on these boxes. The roof was painted when I had the body kit done. So this is gloss black paint, and then we have clear bra on the top. And then we also have a nice little touch up here in the Corvette font. I put vinyl LOL because of course everyone's gonna think this is vinyl, but it's PPF. And then we inlaid the Corvette logo with white vinyl to match everything else. But yeah, let's get to unboxing these custom wheels. This is gonna be so badass. As you see, I haven't even seen them. I've seen them in pictures, but yeah, this is gonna be amazing. True unboxing. A little razor blade, make sure I don't freaking cut myself. Make sure I keep this all together. Check this out. So these are the rears. Oh man. Ready for this? Oh! Wow. So this is championship white. This is the brightest white that you can do. Holy smokes. Look at that. That is, my whole hand is the lip. Holy smokes. So on my first set of wheels, I always liked the stepped lip. But, oh man, look how much more room there is. So that goes up to about my knuckles. Look at this. My whole hand. That's at least like 3 more inches. 3 more inches is a lot. Holy cow. Let me get these out. All right, so check this out. Grab this puppy out of here. Oh my God. That is gonna look insane. Holy shit. Look how much lip that is. That is gonna be insane chopping down the street. Holy smokes. Oh, they're so perfect. Look how much lip that is. Look, compared to my hand. All right, so that was the rear. Let me show you these fronts. Man, oh man. Oh, dude. The fronts are gonna look killer too. So this is the width of the front is the stock width of the rear bronze. Wow. forgedlite, baby. These things are gonna need a lot of coating, but holy smokes, look at that wheel. Look how freaking sick that looks. Wow. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. Tell me what you think about the new color. It looks insane in person. But hopefully Monday I'll have my boy Freddie over. We've got a new set of rubbers for the front. I stay size. So it's a 20 in the rear, 19 in the front. So I just bought brand new rear tires. So we'll just swap the tires over. And then we're just getting new front tires. Yeah, this is gonna look killer with all the accents. The little sweet little white accents everywhere. It's gonna tie in really well. But thanks so much for watching this video. Make sure to like and comment. Let me know what you think, what you like, what you dislike. Thanks so much.